Hello, good morning. Today's topic is gas turbine power plant. So, the gas turbine power plant consists of so many components. The first component is compressor. This is the compressor. So, the main function of the compressor is to produce high pressure air. The compressor draws air which is at atmospheric pressure. While taking air into compressor, the air is passed through an air filter to remove dust and other impurities from it. So, the second component is regenerator. So, this part is regenerator. Regenerator is a device which recovers the heat from the exhaust gases. The exhaust gas is from the turbine. Before the gases are released to atmosphere, it absorbs the heat from the regenerator. So, due to this process, the compressed air is heated before entering the combustion chamber. So, this is the combustion chamber. So, due to the absorption of heat, the regenerator improves plant efficiency by reducing the fuel for combustion. So, it reduces the fuel. By that, we are saving the cost. So, combustion chamber. So, this is the combustion chamber. The main function of the combustion chamber is to add large amount of heat to the compressed air. In the combustion chamber, the heat is produced by burning oil or gas. So, this combustion chamber is heated by oil or gas. So, by that, the temperature of the gas improves. So, the temperature is about 3000 degree Fahrenheit, and it is then again reduced to 1200 degree to 1500 degrees Fahrenheit before passing it to the turbine. So, next is the gas turbine. So, this is the gas turbine. An air at high pressure and temperature is passed over the blades of the turbine. So, this turbine contains so many number of blades. So, due to the high pressure gas passed onto the turbine blades, so this heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So, in case of turbine, so the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So, after passing the turbine, the exhaust gas has temperature about 900 degree Fahrenheit. So this heat is utilized again in the regenerator. So next component of the gas turbine power plant is alternator. So this is the alternator. When gas turbine starts rotation, so this gas turbine starts rotation, an alternator which is coupled with the turbine starts rotation. So this alternator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, because this is the machine which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The output of the alternator is given to the bus bar. So this is the bus bar. This position is nothing but a bus bar. Through the transformer, this is the bus bar, and which is fed to the bus bar through the transformer. This is the transformer, circuit breakers and isolators for protection. And one more component of the gas turbine power plant is starting motor. So this is the starting motor. Before the gas turbine starts, so it is necessary to start the compressor. This is the compressor. So this motor is start with the help of batteries. This is the battery section. So which is mounted on the same shaft of the turbine and compressor. So this is the same shaft. When compressor starts, so the entire unit starts and the turbine starts rotation. When turbine drives compressor, so this is the compressor. When turbine drives compressor, after that the motor switch off the motor. So after this process, the motor acts like a load on the unit. Then there is no need of motor, because the motor which is used only for starting purpose, to start the compressor. Under running condition, so an electric motor is not required, hence it is called starting motor. So these are the different components of gas turbine power plants. So what are the merits of gas turbine power plant? Gas turbine power plant is smaller in size. This is smaller in size, and weight is also very less when compared to other types of power plants like steam power plant, hydro power plant. And the design is very simple. Design of the gas turbine power plant is very simple. And the standby losses are very minimum. Actually, there is no standby losses. And the initial cost of gas turbine power plant is very low. The starting time required for this is about only 2 minutes. So it will take time for starting the compressor. Once it starts, then there is no further time is required. Less fuel consumption because a part of the heat is utilized in the regenerator itself. So by this we are saving the fuel consumption. And the next advantage is less maintenance when it is in operation, and also maintenance cost is very less. And no need of water, whereas in case of steam power plant it requires large amount of water to generate a steam. So here high pressure, high temperature, air is used as a gas, hence there is no need of extra water for cooling purpose. Heavy foundation and structure are not required, and installation of plant requires very less time. It requires a very less space. Lubrication of the different parts of the plant is very easy. And this plant does not produce vibration during the operation. And the noise produced by this plant is very less. And this plant requires very less manpower. So these are the some of the advantages of gas turbine power plant. So next is the disadvantages. So some of the disadvantages are low output of the plant. Low output of the plant, and it has very poor thermal efficiency at part of the load. If the load demand is very less, so thermal efficiency is very less. Due to the continuous burning of the turbine blades, due to the high temperature, the life of the combustion chamber turbine blades are very less. Due to temperature, the life of the combustion chamber and turbine blades are very less. In some cases, the gas turbine blades required cooling system. So cooling system is necessary for gas turbine. So cost may be increases. In some cases, the speed reduction devices are necessary. So this turbine is operating at higher speeds. To match the speed of the alternator, some speed reduction devices are necessary. And it requires external device for starting the plant. It requires a starting motor. This motor act as a load on the power plant. So these are the some of the disadvantages of gas turbine power plant. Almost the maintenance cost is very less. So this is about the gas turbine power plant.